Congo, a nation of greatness, rich in precious minerals, technology and wealth, a paradise on earth. Congo could have been. If it were America, it would be a paradise. Rich, full of joy, strong in economy, skyscrapers reach in the sky, it's visible to all. Congo, a land full of beautiful things, desired by everyone. Its riches spring from the land, the hills, the soil of its people. Congo of the Americans, powerful, a prosperous land, wished for by all. If only Congo, DRC, were a land of Americans, it would be a paradise here on earth. A heart full of gratitude, a beautiful paradise, wealthy beyond measure, the power of God. Congo, we pray, help us, it's your land, we will stand by you. If Congo was purely Congo, no weapons in hands, only true peace remains. No poverty left to see, peace in every heart, worship of Nyabingi, Kiranga, the song of unity. Then the peace would shine upon Burundi, the land would prosper untouched by strife. Congo would be a beautiful paradise, its forests full of life. It would have no limits, just the glory of the land. Now Congo is rich, but its people suffer. Battles raged, countries fighting over resources, precious stones mined, their power abused. Congo, we pray,